Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will discuss about Kali Linux 2020.1 release, new feature and installation process. This release of Kali comes with several new features including long-awaited non-root by default user, Kali single install image, Kali netender rootless, new undercover mode and many more new tools. So without talking too much, let's start the video. Those who are new in my channel, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more latest tech video. This release of Kali, it comes with the traditional default non-root user policy. Default credentials have been root and Tor is dead. New default username and password are Kali and Kali now. You will be asked to create a non-root user during the installation of Kali Linux with administrative privilege. Kali developer decided to change the release structure. Now a single image is provided for all desktop environment instead of separate images. During installation, you will have the option to choose between all the available desktop environment like XFC, Genome, Kali, Mate or LXD. XFC is the default installation available for the offline installation. However, the other can be chosen and download during installation. Kali Linux switched to XFC from Genome, but there is an option to choose between them. Meanwhile, if you choose Genome, then you will get dark and light theme option. New tools are added such as Cloud Dynam, Email Harvester, Sherlock, Sprinter. Old existing tools are also getting upgrade. Also use Python 3. Now I will gonna show you how to install Kali 2021 on virtualbox. At first we create a virtual machine, select the ISO file and start the virtual machine. And install Kali Linux 2020.1 in graphically. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button and press for bell icon. Thanks for watching this video. Please press the bell icon for latest more tech video. Thanks for watching this video. Press the bell icon. Thanks for watching this video. Press the bell icon for latest more tech video.